presentation about mobile phones. Nowadays there are so many types of phones. You can buy one which you like more. You can see your phone such as a credit card. The new technology allows you to pay your bills online. With more advanced phones such as the iPhone or Samsung, you can travel safely because of it has an integrated map with GPS. You can also play games and take many photos to share. With a connection to internet via Wi-Fi or data plan 3G/4G, you can surf on the internet, social media and chat with your dears. Virus Cell use different operation systems. These are Windows Phone, iOS, Android and others. You must be careful if you use the phone in the wrong way. You can create damage and harm yourself. You do not have to sleep with the phone close to your head. You must not use your mobile phone while driving. To protect your cell phone, you will buy a cover. Created by Lindell and Sepp.